Well, hello campers and welcome to Mericle RV in beautiful Fort Lupton, Colorado. Got a brand new Sunset Trail just arrived. Super excited about it. Love this floor plan. One of my favorite couples coaches that we carry. Let's start on the outside. We'll take a look on the inside after that. So 260 RKS Shadow Cruiser by Cruiser RV. This thing is fully loaded, making it very convenient and very easy for you to enjoy your camping. So you got a little light here, if you can see that. Electric tongue jack. I got it plugged in so we can see all the lights. Dual propane tanks. Mericle RV does include your battery at no additional charge. Would go right there. Nice diamond plating to protect that front of the camper when those rocks are kicking it. Really cool LED running lights. Looks really neat. Portable solar plug-in. Seeing that more and more. Nice pass-through storage. Check that out. Wonderful finished compartment. You can also see the aluminum framing. Really nice, solid construction on this. Light, but incredibly strong. Nice finished compartment. Pass-through. Love that slam shut latch. GVWR is at 7780. And your cargo capacity is at 1925. So really nice big slide on this one. Let's go around this side. So other side of that pass-through storage with that nice lighting. Electric stabilizer jacks as well. How cool is that? Check that out right there. You got the stabilizer jacks, and it's plugged in right now. So 2 rocker switches, one here on the front, one at the back to control those electric stabilizer jacks, making it really easy to set up and break down your campsite. Huge electric awning. Runs off your 12-volt system there. Indoor-outdoor Bluetooth stereo system. Pretty nice. Coming across here, we're going to head on in. So when you notice on the door here is the extended season package. So it's forced air duct heat into the underbelly that's enclosed, and Asdale. So really nice insulation, really light and quiet inside. Nice step above steps, making it very easy to get in and out with that oversized grab handle. Pretty neat. Checking out the cargo carrying capacity, or the dry weight. Your dry weight's at 5823. So just under 6,000 pounds dry. So pretty light for what you get. Not bad. Close that up. So coming inside here, I want to show you the great pantry or closet space you have right as you enter the door on the right side here. Check that out. Coat hangers and outlet in there. Nice lighting. Huge space. Storage is always at a premium on a camper, so I love seeing that. Bathroom right at the rear, so you can come in that door on those longer trips, use their bathroom right away. Foot flush toilet. Big shower. Tons of space there with a head room on that skylight. Check out the little coat rack there. Great place for your towels, your linens, and your toiletries, all that RV toilet paper you've been hoarding. Little mirror. Look at that counter space. Love having the window in the bathroom. You don't always see that on campers, but I really like pointing that out. Check out this nice kind of barreled roof, giving you a little bit extra height in the middle. You got your 3-person sofa there. Does turn into a bed, so you do have an extra sleeping option, which is pretty nice. Nice little storage cabinets. Check out how those stay open. How easy is it to get stuff in and out of there. I've seen campers twice this price where these do not stay open on their own. So I love pointing that feature out on these Shadow Cruiser models. But yeah, this folds out, folds down there, and opens up into another sleeping area. So you could bring your grandkids with you, you could bring a friend. It doesn't have the bunk beds, but next best thing is that sofa sleeper and your dinette that does turn into a bed as well. Here's where your TV would go, if so inclined. All your controls right here, love these. You got your lights, awning, slide controls, your battery disconnect right there. Your indoor-outdoor Bluetooth stereo system, pretty nice. Nice ducted air conditioner, so it's roof-mounted, ducted throughout. Nice storage underneath that booth dinette. And check out those windows. Windows on both sides of the slide. 4 windows on this slide, giving you great airflow and great light. Wonderful kitchen counter space. Pretty awesome. An actual oven. You can actually bake in here, and how neat is that? 3-burner propane cooktop with this wonderful glass cover from Suburban. Nice deep stainless steel sink, kind of a farm sink style with the plastic cover that many people use as a cutting board. Like the window right here too. You also do have a light and a fan on this range hood. So how cool is that when you're cooking? Your microwave. And storage. More storage in the kitchen. Check that out. Lots and lots of storage on this one. And the magnificently big refrigerator. This thing is huge. Tons of space in there. And a freezer. Take your ice cream camping with you. Let's check out the bedroom. So coming in here, you got a little sliding pocket door giving you some privacy. And a nice queen-size bed. Storage throughout. And the way Strato Cruiser does it is you actually have an entire open compartment under here, making it really nice to store all your stuff. Very, very cool. And this is one of my favorite features. You rarely see this. Check out this extra little bit of storage space. You got nice drawers here. Little cubbies. But a great, great place to put your clothes, your bedroom stuff, everything you need with a nice light there. How neat is that? So very cool. Love this floor plan. A little fan in the bedroom as well. Window on either side of the bed giving you a great cross breeze. This is a beautiful floor plan. This camper is not going to last long. We are Mericle RV, MERICLE-RV.com in Fort Lupton, Colorado. 970-833-1395. 970-833-1395. Let us know how we can help you out. We have this and plenty of other campers in stock of all varieties, shapes, and sizes. So something for everybody here. Thank you very much. We are a small, locally owned family dealership with no hidden fees, no dealer charges, and your battery and orientation are included. So thank you very much for your time. Happy camping. Happy 2021. And take care, friends.